Let's start our next lecture, which is about transitive and intransitive verb. These are the basic concept relating verb से मुंसलिक ये basic concept है कि transitive verb क्या है और intransitive verb क्या है. जब subject से action start होकर object पे end होता है तो that is called transitive verb. Transitive verb contains different type of structure. Sometimes we have subject, verb and object. In that case, this verb function as a transitive verb. Otherwise, if there is no object, then the verb is intransitive. For example, if I say that he laughs loudly, he laughs loudly. So, in this case, loudly is an adverb, not an adjective, not an object. So, it is called intransitive verb. So he laughs loudly. So loudly, this sentence here laughs is function as intransitive verb. There is no object here. If I say that I write a letter. I write a letter. So here this write is a function as a transitive verb. So this laugh function as intransitive because it doesn't have an object, but I write a letter. So this is transitive because it ends with an object. So how we can define an object when it comes at the beginning, at the end of the sentence? Some students और बहुत से जो लर्नर हैं वो कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ है. कि object can also be noun or pronoun. So this is not an object, it is adverb. So I write a letter. So object answers object answers who, whose, whom and what. But adverb answers how, when, where. So it is adverb of loudly, it's an adverb of manner. So I write a letter. If I say that he plays nicely. So this plays nicely here plays function as an intransitive. Nicely is an adverb, not an object. So if I say that he plays cricket. He plays cricket. So this play function as a transitive verb. So this plays function as an intransitive verb. Here the sentence ends with an adverb and here sentence ends with an object. So object is a word that answers how, what, when and where. So if a word answers how, what, when and where, it is called an adverb or an adverb phrase, not an object. It may be a noun or pronoun, but if it answers what, whose, whom, what, who, whose and whom, then it is called an object. Otherwise, how, what, when and where, if it answers these words, how, what, when and where it is, then it is called adverb. Adverb tells us how an action is occurred, where an action is occurred, when an action is occurred. एडवर्ब हमें ये बताता है कि काम कहाँ पर होता है, काम कैसे होता है, काम कब होता है. जबकि ऑब्जेक्ट हमें आंसर करता है कि ये काम कौन करता है, किसने किया है, किसका है, किसने किया है, कौन करता है. हु, हुज एंड व्हाट को आंसर करता है.